Hey guys, Ripers Ultra here, back with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a 3D printed bay that you guys really want me to upload 3D printed content, so I'm doing it. So these are some sparking bays, plus a GT bay in here, which is Master Diabolos, generate, yada yada, you know the drill, whatever. I have an evolution to Gaia that I made. This is it. It's called Gigagaya. It's a sparking version. It uses a single chassis, outer fusion, but the real combo is convert wave. When I get wave and convert, I'll make the whole combo together. And when I get that special red color, you'll see it on my Discord. I will use some paint that I ordered for the red for this part, but this is the evolution to Gaia, so I'm going to just showcase the parts. This is the chip Gaia, as you can see. Nothing new. I printed this in a different way. I'm not going to state how I printed it, but I added some gloss so it's shiny, glossy. And this is the base, which is Giga. Now, this has like one part that's hollow, so it hits harder on one end than the other, so it's pretty unbalanced, I'd say. And it uses the Ragnarok chip core, so that's why we're not using it in this video. So yeah, we're gonna put this together with the single chassis. I chose I chose quarter fusion because that was its dual layer combo. So yeah, and it is very tight. The last click is very hard. So yeah, out of all the times I tested this in battles, which is only a few times, it didn't burst against Rage, even though it has a single chassis. So we're gonna test it more in this video. So let us do a battle first with Brave, because I haven't done that in a while. Also, I worn down evolution, so that's gonna be fun. Ooh, okay. Oh, and Gaia bursted. Okay. That went to Valkyrie. Valkyrie. Okay, I'm being no clicks to Valkyrie. You're not making me look good, Gaia, please. Also, my sparking launcher broke off camera, which is fun. Let me use my ripcord for this, because I don't want to ruin the paint. Ooh, come on, Gaia. You can do this. Come on, Gaia. Don't lose. No. What was that, bro? That was very hard impact. From Gaia. That went to Gaia, that round went to Gaia, so we're giving that to him. Wait, was that Gaia? Or, wait, I don't know. I just got disturbed. I don't know who won that. I'm just showcasing a Beyblade, a Booga. Okay, now we're gonna switch to Helios. The freaking imposter Helios. That's what Beyblade is. Imposter. King Helios. Ugh. You. If this thing loses to King Helios, I'm gonna be very sad. I'm surprised it's not bursting. Well, it's going up against King. I mean, this thing's not gonna have amazing life after death, yeah, because it's using fusion. But once it gets waved, it's gonna have like a shit ton of LED. Well, let's use the string launcher. Ooh, okay, the zone is being aggressive. King Helios is angry, saying, "Why won't this thing burst? Fool!" Also, if you're wondering what happened with my lighting, let's say my light broke. Why is this thing losing? It was doing so. Okay, listen, I think it's time to Helios, you go in the trash. Goodbye. Okay. Anyways, now we're doing Rage Longinus. Rage Longinus. Is this 3A? I don't fucking know. There's a lot of A's, okay? I don't know. Shit, that launch was terrible. Anyway. How did it not burst? How did this thing not burst? Oh my god. Bruh. This is what I mean. No clicks. Absolutely nothing. Shit, that actually ruined me. For some reason, Rage it breaks my ripcord launchers because of the how big or how sloped the contact points on it is. Look, this is what I mean. It doesn't burst against Rage. It does not burst against Rage. Okay, that was Rage. It does not burst against Rage at all for some logical reason that I cannot explain. Okay, that got it to its middle click. That one was Rage Longinus. Okay, I'm kind of proud of this thing now. Okay, let's see if it can destroy Dead Phoenix. Because I want to see if it can. I want Phoenix to suffer. I want Phoenix to suffer this video. Oh god, no, Phoenix, you're supposed to be suffering. Not gliding peacefully. Okay. Come on, Gigagaya. Burst, Phoenix. Do it! You did it before! If you lose to Dead Phoenix, man, I'm going to be sad. Okay. It didn't lose. Good. No clicks on Gaia. Phoenix, one click, obviously. That's what activates the armor. I hate reality and life. End me, please. End me. Okay. Regalia Genesis with its broken hybrid driver because this fucking driver broke in a battle against Helios. That was Sunset Helios when it broke, so that's why the hybrid thing isn't working. Okay, Gaia, do your thing. Slice and dice. You disappointed me, but that was a big impact from Gaia. Maybe because it's like if you do like a different combo with it, I think you'll get something good out of it. If you use a different combo. Other than a single chassis combo, single chassis aren't well known or aren't known to be good at burst resistance. But I mean, you have to, I want it to become more relevant, single chassis to become more relevant, since it's all double chassis and even limit break, it's all that, you know what I mean? So I want single chassis to be more relevant in the Beyblade, 3D printing thing. So that's why Gaia is the, I think the first 3D printed Beyblade that I made to ever have a single chassis as part of its combo. So, ooh, okay, that was a clean burst. That was fair. That was fair. That was absolutely clean. Dang. Okay. Regalia. Holy mother of God. This thing almost bursted Regalia. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do another battle. Fine, I'll do variant Lucifer just for the memes. Here. By the way, my Lucifer chip broke. All of my sparking chips broke because I've done 3D printed Beyblade battles. I have to repair it. Obviously, this thing was gonna win. Variant has horrible stamina. Yeah. Variant is fucking bad. What else do I got? Hades. We can do Hades. Hades. Gravity. Dread gravity. Fucking clown, get in there. Oh shit. Gaia, run! If you burst to a Cho's eBay, I'm gonna be so mad at you. Especially Hades out of all days. Okay. Gaia. Now we went to Gaia. Now, should I do the ultimate test? Nah. Also, Helios broke off camera. I'll show you what remains of the base. It was up against Draco's golem that I didn't realize that it endured so much. I battled it and it broke. Yeah, I'm a sad boy, but don't worry. There's an evolution coming. I did do a limit break Helios, but that's still in the works. So I got something else for you guys. So I will show that video later on. Here, let's do Cho's Achilles. Also, I want to know you guys' opinion on the Hasbro doing the Pro Series. Oh crap. I was busting. I would want to say busting the nut because then people are going to say in the comments that I failed No Nut November when I didn't. I did not fail. Okay, that went to Gaia. No click to Gaia. Middle click to Achilles. So let's do it against one. This video up. Who should we put it up against? Buster Excalibur, so this should be fun. Oh, I remembered. I used to do a lot of videos with Buster Excalibur. Ooh! That was clean! Bro! Get clapped on, stupid. Get clapped on. Burst it into pieces. Alright. Okay. Cosmos. Here we go. Cosmos Dragon. And then we're done with the video. I just want to keep battling with this thing. Burst Cosmos, please. Burst Cosmos. For the love of God, please burst Cosmos. Oh God. Oh no. Scrape these shit. Ah! My Gaia against Fafnir. I'm sorry, Fafnir. I look up over you. Okay. Are you kidding me? Fafnir says, you're not using me? I ain't having that shit, G. And just completely wrecked it. Okay. I see how it is. Okay, I see how it is. Well, that was a crappy launch. Okay. Yeah, spin stealing from the disc. Spin stealing from the disc. Good job. Obviously, that's the key to completely wreck Gaia. But okay, we have done all the battles in the world. Maybe not against Master, but who gives a shit about Master? At least Master right spin. Yeah. What do you guys think of sparking Gaia? Did it fulfill your thirst for 3D printing on my channel? Hopefully it did, because this is the last video I'm making for another month. Okay, I'm kidding. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you for making me hit 800. I want to see if we can get to 100, to like 1,000 by the time we get to the end of the year. And yeah, join my Discord. I'll leave the link in the description. See you guys later. Viper Ultra out. Peace.